Bakit, bakit puro English na yung salita dito? At katulad na sinabi ko, buhay ay simple lang. Life is so simple. Simple. Life is so simple. Simple. Very easy. Why people make this life complicated? Because of what? Greediness to fame, greediness to power, and greediness to wealth have poisoned their soul. And that makagago even sold this soul to the devil. Even sold this soul to the devil. Pero wala. Sabi nga, if you sold your soul to the devil, it's just like a credit card. Enjoy now, pay later. Enjoy now, pay later. So nag-enjoy siya before, ngayon na yung payment. Baka ako yung ginamit ng Diyos para singilin siya. So, ano na? Bakit puro English na yung salita dito?
Gago!